So we're gonna fix this trash can lid today. It was cold and it got knocked over and this broke off. So now, when it opens, it's kind of messed up and I'm afraid the other one's gonna break off. So the way I'm gonna fix it is just take a regular soldering iron, which I don't have. I have this one, which is, it's not saying how many watts this one is, but a normal regular soldering iron, which is like 40 or so watts, is probably fine. Actually, you don't want it as hot because you want it to, you don't want to go right through it. But the basic idea is you push everything together and then you go through and you melt. I'm still waiting for this to heat up. You go through and you melt the plastic together. And it's still heating up, so I kind of push it, kind of mix it into itself there. As you're going. I can get on the other side here now that it's kind of holding. And then you want to kind of push it all in together. So all you're really doing is melting it and letting it fuse back together and cool. Now this is going to be kind of made like a little river there. So I'm going to do the whole thing like this first. And once you start, you should be able to let go, and because it's already starting to hold. And you want to do this somewhere outside. Obviously a trash can I'm doing outside, but because you don't want to smell these, well, you can smell it if you want. You don't want to breathe it in because it's burning chemicals, which probably aren't good for you. So right now I'm just kind of making a little river. And mucking up the end of this soldering iron. So forever when I use it, I'll smell plastic. So basically just going right along the crack. Not really doing too well right there. And then once you have most of it done, you can come back to it with one of these, like a little zip tie. It doesn't have to be the small ones, just any size zip tie. And you can kind of, should be able to melt it in there. And this soldering iron doesn't seem like it's heating up that well. All we're doing now is just adding plastic to it, hoping it all melts together. And that already is probably getting pretty good. does smell really nice. And let's do some more down here. Trash can right here. And I'm just going to add a little more up here because I'm thinking it's going to need it. It broke already without being patched. But it looks like it's probably going to hold pretty well. So let's those off to the side. See how it works. Look at that. And it's still warm. But now, all fixed up. That's all you got to do. Just remember, do it outside or somewhere with some good ventilation. And you probably you'd rather wear a mask as well, so you're not breathing in all the burning chemicals. But that's it.